In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a purchase in Direct Sidekick. Remember that you only need to enter a purchase in Direct Sidekick when you're purchasing items for your on-hand inventory for resale. So you don't have to enter your customer orders into Direct Sidekick, just your purchases for on-hand retail or resale. So I'll start off here, enter the date, the reference number. This will populate something for you, or you can match the reference number of the order with your company. For the example order I have today, I'm going to have shipping charged, and it does have tax applied to the shipping as well. We've added a pre-tax discount and an after-tax discount to this order form, and that's because some companies will now charge you or apply your discount before tax, and other companies after tax, or even one company now that we've run into that does both. And so we've added this way to this field as well. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to search by the item. And this one here, I'm using the actual item number, not the special SKU number here, because I want everything to be showing up in the same, under the same item in my shop, in my inventory reports, etc. So tax is charged to this item. It's charged on the cost in this particular order. So the pre and the after fields here, those are saying, hey, these are checked, so I want these discounts to be applied to this item. The INV, this is an inventoriable checkbox too. This is what will be checked to say, hey, these items are going into my inventory for resale. If I had like a business supply or order form or something like that that was added to this order, I could uncheck that box, and Direct Sidekick would automatically add the cost for this product to my transactions list instead. I'm going to keep that checked for here. All right, so I'm going to go to the next item. I'm just going to search by the SKU number now. And since the sale is showing in the line item, I'm going to change the cost value here. So I always recommend following the order. So if your order says, hey, there's a discount on the line item, you enter the discount in the line item in Direct Sidekick. If it does not show a line item discount, it only shows one larger discount applied to the full order, then I recommend just not updating the price and just updating the discount. And just like I said, just following the order. So this one again has an item or discount. I believe there's 4 of them. So I'm going to update the quantity as well. All right, so this one I'm going to search by, let's see what it is. I believe this one is a special that I just had combined in here, as that's the way it would be sold. I always recommend, again, putting them into Direct Sidekick as you would sell them. And if you need a little bit more viewing space, I know there's a lot of information here from the orders. You can always click on this little hamburger icon up top here, and it opens up some more space for you. So again, it can search by the SKU or by the starting by typing the name in. So there's 2 of these, no line item discount, so I did not put it in there. This one here, it's a long name. I'm just going to look by the SKU again. And I believe there's 2 of those, and there is a line item discount for the sale. So I'm going to lower the price here in the line item. So now my process is I like to first verify, hey, does the subtotal match? So yes, the subtotal matches. Now Norex discount on this order is a pre-tax discount. So I'm going to enter that into the pre-tax discount field. And then I'm going to verify, does the tax match? 834. 834, the tax matches. Great. All right, so the next thing is I have shipping. That is added up at the top here. And there is a consultant discount here, and I'm going to apply that. The consultant discount is an after-tax discount, and that is $56.66. And so now, of course, I want to make sure my grand total matches. And so I've got $103.29 here, and $103.29 here is the amount paid. You can use this note section down here at the bottom if you'd like to enter some notes. Just things to remind yourself, hey, maybe I bought this for such and such or whatever, and those will be saved with it. And so now all I have to do is click save, and now the order is saved. And so now, since the inventoriable checkbox is checked on all the items are all entered into my inventory. As the pre and after checkboxes are all checked for all of the items, what happens is a percentage of this pre-tax discount is applied to all the items. After-tax discount, same way, applied to all the items. And so when you go and sell items later, or give them away and use an adjustment to give them away or pull them out of inventory for other reasons, then your actual cost, so the retail price or the cost you spent minus some of the discounts plus taxes, all that is calculated by Direct Sidekick and entered for you in your cost of goods sold or your advertising adjustments. Feel free to reach out to Direct Sidekick if you have questions on if your order is pre-tax or after-tax, how your discount is applied. I always work through it first, and if something doesn't look right, I check some of the different things. Okay, is my shipping or is my tax off a little bit? I'm going to check, hey, is tax charged on shipping and handling? Some orders there are, some orders are not. And then from there, you can look and see about pre-tax or after-tax.